Yo ebusia Kumasi Asante Kotoko echitafo mama kwa about the Fabulous Zone. So I had yesterday morning Kumasi Asante Kotoko stories happen day in day out. So na ya babwa no na ya chiri mu dia bremo. Ene enseme na wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko the Porcupine Warriors. Ukuma apema is the motto. Memfa nkoto lotto. Ene ye gina akono ye tukwan akọ enyinase. Na the biggest game ever the Ghana Premier League match week 13 eba so yi. Ye nyina yim say Karela they are unbeaten ewe nyina se ho. Omabo 6 matches, 6 wins. Na che say oba pe o de 3 points ni begu ho. Na wasan we chi akọ we ofi bai. 6 matches, omo ahye ni nyina. And any record that Karela United omo de tie omo krom ho nyina se ho. Eho ehu pa. But one good thing so akotoko yen say they kon say yen so we are unbeaten away. Say be tu kwan about krom na wa hye de ene ka go na ngu. Nti na ye mi de kosie ni ewe nyina ase na ye nyina say Karela United omo na that first position ewe league log no so Kumasi if you want Great Olympics kotoko that third ewe ho yetimi win game we e mama ye move about the first position. Nti game we a big game any kwase di ho agro but I believe our boys said they know what is at stake. Although Karela for nso ni what is at stake. Se nyame anko pata na mo hye ya o mama gab eno se be ni se obetimi ache wo mo. Nti game we dey our West crash should be draw. Our West should be draw. So yeah, Karela United some dangerous players from team name. The Reality Taylor no on a lead Ghana goal scoring chart no. Or so 9 goals or so. Easy. Or the ball no the man on quality obeshaw. Unya ball no na ujeja na obeshaw. Sans na Kotoko another counter record I say the share the Reality Taylor and say Kotoko we have the best defensive pair our league name. So we share wa share too much is losing na 1-1 no mo de share. So we share rough from the so team ma kwan sa. It's game where nice game Johnson Smith Kotoko coach or travel back to one chrome Karela oni omo ana tete omo ana coach omo ana or sa back but this time on the Kotoko na eba. Yen share guy game never akosi. O share lineup na the Fabulous Zone yes suggest game we just a predicted starting lineup the Fabulous Zone yeah ba goalkeeper Balora I miss on the performance over this past matches out or shall say so that pool ni there himself excellent goalkeeper or starter or high beboy Samuel Frimpong ne Ibrahim Moro defensive pair no I don't know say Coach Johnson Smith so best say you Wahab biem there cause Wahab nigga ni wa mo pair no it was fantastic last time any entire lines a boy itimi the Eshel mo no Wahab Adams you had a fantastic game. Now you call Mfimfini hon so August no clear we don't know whether it's going to start Emmanuel Jemfi Christopher Nete whoever that starts no I think it will be Christopher Nete last time no when you some little injury be or Fabio Gama the Brazilian you na him no the original game e say game with him start my Kwame Poku de nim ho Mudasuru money ade betime gina Mfimfini asa akode Emmanuel asa akode they can all start the game for us. Now, Kumasi Asante Kotoko going to this game, we have the materials to win this game. We have the quality to win this game. Karela need to make some huna. Although omo tef no hu de omo ayo omo tef no kwa obobo na enye omo kwa na timebo. But that notwithstanding, no, we have a solid team and betimi akọ cause surprise ewe nyina se ho. So, share what's your comments? Leave it in the comment section. Now, once we are doing channel for giant. So we have for now share video I best stress I press the subscribe button now man so that I release the video pay you'll be one of the first people I'm meeting in any video no. Yo yen fancy I say any match preview. Karela United up against Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ghana Premier League match week 13 for Porcupines by Porcupines.